Today on the Smart Penny Pincher, we're going to review the Mainstay 28-inch fire pit. I will put a product link in the description below. Setting up the fire pit is really easy. So we've got a bowl on the bottom, and as you can see there's a drain hole. And it also has 4 legs. And those are the bolts. It's super easy to attach. And that's a hook that you can use to lift up the spark screen. It also comes with a cover, and then we've got a couple other parts. So it's just a couple of parts. They have this little tiny Allen wrench that they've included, so you don't have to go out to the shop and try and find the right one. And we're going to assemble it in just a couple of minutes. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take the bigger ring, and we're going to attach the legs from the outside in. You put the screw on the outside and the nut on the inside and tighten it down. Now just repeat that for the other 3 legs, and we're ready to go on to the next step. Now the next thing we're going to need to do is just take the smaller ring and position it over the holes, and this time we're going to put the screws in from the inside, and we don't need a nut because they already have threads in there. And just repeat that for all 4. Just flip the legs over, put on the bowl, and then we just need to insert the little grate on the bottom and the fire screen, and we're ready to go. So the first thing I noticed when I was unboxing and also during my first fire is that this particular model is a little bit on the small side. Now we don't have a lot of room, so we purposely bought a smaller one. And if you're going to use smaller pieces of wood like I have here, then that's going to be just fine. However, if you have more room and your firewood is bigger, then I would suggest getting a slightly larger one so that you have a little bit more flexibility. But we just didn't have the room. So one thing I really like about this is the spark guard that comes with it. It has a loop on the top and a tool to lift it on and off, and it's really pretty easy. And that'll help make this a lot safer to use. So I hope you found this helpful, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and be sure and subscribe to my channel.